Let's begin our math today by taking out our Saxon booklet right here. Okay, and then you're going to open it up to lesson worksheet 45-1. This is on page 155, so it's a 155 next to each other. It's got this thing that looks like a key right there, okay? So we just watched a video all about subtraction, okay? So that's the little minus sign. You saw that on the trees in the video, okay? And that means you're taking away, okay? Like the dinosaur ate one cupcake, okay? So we can even look at this like a story here, okay? So I can pull out my number line too, so this will help us at the top there, okay? So let me make sure I've got everything showing up. Okay, so in the first one here, it says 1 minus 1 equals. So if you have one cupcake and then you eat one cupcake, you have 1 minus 1, and that means you have 0 left. So go ahead and write your 0 right here. Okay, so 1 minus 1 is 0. Then if you come down here, here's the 1 minus 1 right here, and there's the 0 right there. So you're going to connect. This is kind of like a puzzle, 1 minus 1, and connect that to the 0 right there, okay? Right. Then the next one here says 2 minus 1. So if you're at 2, remember when you're doing subtraction, you're going towards the 0. So you take one jump towards the 0, and 2 minus 1 is 1. So you write your 1 right here, okay? Then over here, right here, here's your 2 minus 1, okay, right there. And then you're going to connect that to the number 1. 2 minus 1 is 1, okay? I'm going to pull this down. Now you have 3 minus 1 equals. So if you have 3 cupcakes and you eat one, take one jump over that way, that means you have 2 cupcakes left. So 3 minus 1 is 2, okay? So over here, there's my 3 minus 1, so right there, equals, and then here's my number 2 right there. So I'm going to connect this problem here to the number 2. Okay, all right, we're going to move one down. Okay, so the next one says 4 minus 1 equals. So we're going to start on the number 4. We're going to jump 1 this way, and you'll see that 4 minus 1 now equals 3. So write our 3 right here. And then we're going to come over to our key. Here's 4 minus 1 right there. Put my finger there. And then the answer is 3. So we're looking for the number 3. There's a 3 right there. So 4 minus 1, we're going to connect that to the 3 right there. Okay. Now I want to show you a pattern that's happening. 0, 1, 2, 3. So the number is getting 1 bigger as we do these problems. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So those numbers are getting bigger by 1, 2. So these numbers are getting bigger by 1, the answers, okay? So let's keep going. 5 minus 1 equals. So there's your 5. You're going to take away 1, and you land on the 4. So let's write the 4 right here. Okay. Now over here we have to find the 5 minus 1. That's right here. And over on this side we need to find the 4. And the 4 is down here. So we're going to take that 5 minus 1 equals 4 right there. Okay. The next one on the page says 6 minus 1 equals. So we're on the 6. You take away 1 and your answer is 5. So let's write our 5. Okay, and then over here we need to find the 6 minus 1. Here's the 6 minus 1 equals, and over on this side we're looking for the 5. The 5 is down here, so we'll draw a line to connect that to the 5. Okay, let's work our way down to the next one. Okay, the next one says 7 minus 1 equals. So if you start on the 7 and you take away 1, you're at the number 6. Okay, 7 take away 1 is 6. Okay, so now let's go over on the key. The 7 minus 1 is right here. 7 minus 1 equals, and we're looking for this 6. There's a 6 right there. So you're going to draw a line from the 7 minus 1 equals 6 right there. Okay, next problem says 8 minus 1. So if I come over here to the 8, jump one space back with my finger, start at the 8, jump back 1. 8 minus 1 is going to be 7. Okay, so now I have to find the 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1 equals right here. Now I have to find the answer to that one. There's a 7 right there. So 8 minus 1 is 7, okay? Okay, let's go over here. The next one on here, it reads 9 minus 1 equals, right? So we start at the 9, we jump one space back with our eraser, and I land on the 8. So 9 minus 1 equals 8, okay? So over here I have to find my 9 minus 1. It's all the way down here at the bottom. 9 minus 1 equals, and we're looking for an 8 for the answer. There's our 8 right there, so you're going to go ahead and connect that. 9 minus 1 equals 8. Okay, then let's go to the next problem. It says 10 minus 1 equals. So if I bring down my number line, I'm on the number 10, and I have to jump one back towards 9. Okay, so 10 minus 1 is 9. Over here, I have to find my problem. There's my 10. 10 minus 1, and over here I need to find the number 9. Right there. So from here, 10 minus 1 equals 9. Okay, let's keep going. We've got a few more to go, just 2 actually. 11 minus 1 equals, so I start on the 11, and I'm going to take one jump towards the 0 over here. One jump, and I land on the 10. So 11 minus 1 is 10. Okay, so I'm going to come over here. I see my 11 minus 1 right there. Where's my 10? The 10 is right there. So I'm going to draw a line to connect the 11 minus 1 to the 10. And then there's one more here. 12 minus 1 equals. So here's my 12 right there. I'm going to move one space back, and you'll see that 12 minus 1 is 11. So write your 11, which is the 2 ones right next to each other, is the 11. And then let's go over here. There's our 12 minus 1. I'm going to mark that with my finger. And there's my 11 right there. Look, they're straight across from each other. Okay, and go ahead and connect those. Okay, so great job. Give yourself a hug, because this was a lot of subtraction to do. So subtraction means taking away, just like we saw in that video. So that was a good chance for us to practice taking away or doing subtraction today.